Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a user profile from Microsoft Edge. If you've got extra profiles you no longer use or just want to clean things up, this is super easy to do. Let's jump in. First, open up a Microsoft Edge. Now look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that. From the drop-down, you'll see a list of profiles if you've got more than one. Click on Manage Profile Settings. This takes you to the Profiles page. Now, find the profile you want to delete. If you're already inside it, you'll see your current profile listed with options. Click the three dots next to the profile name, then select Remove. Edge will ask you to confirm, because removing a profile will delete all its history, saved passwords, bookmarks, and other browsing data from your local device. So make sure you've backed up anything you need. If you're good to go, click Remove Profile. And just like that, the profile is gone. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, the profile might still exist online, but it won't be active or saved locally on this device anymore. And that's it. Super quick way to clean up extra profiles in Edge. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to help out. Thanks for watching.